You know, I travel a ton, be it a work trip, a girl's getaway, or traveling with the family. So I really rely on having great luggage to help me stay organized and get all of the gear I need together very quickly. So I'm super excited to talk about this travel system from Baggallini. It was developed by 2 flight attendants, and I love how they thought of everything. So you've got to start off your packing with a great essential roller like this one. This is the Getaway. It is a 4-wheel roller, and it's got so many amazing compartments, so you can really stay organized when you're getting your travel gear together and while you're on the road. So some of the things that I find absolutely essential are all the zippered compartments. First and foremost, since I'm always working and never working, I love that they have the padded laptop sleeve right inside. And lots of zippered compartments on the outside. So if I need to access things quickly, I can get to them. But now let's take a look about what to pack inside. So now we're looking at the main compartment of the Baggallini Getaway Tote. The great thing is that there's tons of mesh compartments here, so you can keep everything from rolling around in the bottom of your suitcase. Now that you've seen the compartments, let's talk about adding some accessories. Of course, starting with a great bag is essential, but so are the accessories that go inside. These compression packing cubes are incredible. I always like to put my workout gear in one cube, and this one can expand. So let's say you're going on a weekend trip, you can keep it in this size, but if you're going for a full week, you just expand the cube and you've got more space. These cubes are awesome for keeping everything organized. You can put your workout gear in one, or you can put a whole outfit together in a cube to really keep yourself organized. And they come in other sizes as well. There is a long cube, and this is perfect for socks, underthings, or maybe accessories as well. I love the clear cases on the Baggallini accessories. This small one is perfect for my cords and cables and all the little things that could get lost at the bottom of my suitcase. Having the clear case makes me not wonder what is inside, so I know exactly where all of my gear is, and it makes it easy to access and stay organized. And of course, any girl knows that the Toiletry Kit is essential. I love this hanging one from Baggallini, so when you're in your hotel room or your Airbnb, you can just hang it up and you can have access to everything inside. This one is fantastic because it has the clear pouches again, making it very easy to know what exactly you have and where it is. And it also protects from any spills that may encounter while you're traveling. So lots of great compartments on this, and even on the back side. A little handy carrier here, and it zips up to take just about no space up in your bag. Once you got your cubes packed, you're just going to go ahead and add them to the great tote here. Everything stays organized and zipped together. Now it's time to load in the toiletries and all of my electronics. And I still have tons of room. You can put some of your reading materials in here. There's a RFID pocket here that could protect your valuables from getting stolen. And of course, like any great travel bag, there is a handle. So when you are wheeling through the airport or the train station, it makes it quite easy. I love the way Baggallini has integrated all of the accessories. This is the Hong Kong laptop tote, and it cleverly will slip on to the Getaway Travel System. There is a little pocket on the back of it, so I can put this on the handle, and then when I'm wheeling through the airport, I can do so with ease and with one hand free. Baggallini has thought of everything to make my getaways a lot easier and more fashionable, including these great clear cases if you're going to a concert or sporting event. These are awesome accessories to add inside your Baggallini travel system. Great quality, attention to detail. You can see why I love these bags and all of the accessories from the Baggallini team. To find out more, head over to baggallini.com and be sure to subscribe to all our videos.